Hello guys, so I'm going to show you how to fix Play Integrity verification failed on ChatGPT. So for the first step you are going to do is you're going to long press on your ChatGPT and go be uninstall it. You're going to uninstall it. After you uninstall it, you're going to reinstall it again. So before you install it again, you need to long press on your Play Store and you need to go to app information and you need to go to storage and cache and you need to clear cache before you make another download. So now you head over back to your Play Store and now you can freely download the ChatGPT app now again. So this should solve your problem, and if still it does not solve your problem, you can contact AI support. So you can go to your default browser and you can contact the OpenAI support, or you can go to Google Play and you can contact the app support. As you can see here, this directly informs the developers to know about the issue that you are facing, so they will try their best to help you, and that is how you go about this problem. So if you found this content useful, consider subscribing.